Right now, who do you love more than anyone else in the world? The bride answered the groom, and the groom answered the bride. Congratulations. Kiss y un beso.
Only unto her, as long as you both show it. All right, it will show the world. I have given myself to you. And you have given yourself
Do you have any marriage advice?
Yes. Cat and Gary, be easy to forgive and quick to apologize.
How about another round of applause for our bride and groom, ladies and gentlemen?
Make me feel the way you do. Oh, we just get closer.
Have a time.